Has your dashboard ever suddenly lit up with a check engine light? Have you searched for an OBD scanner online and felt confused by this? Some cost $20, some cost hundreds. They all look similar, but the prices are wildly different. So what's the real difference and how do you choose the right one? In this video, I'll break everything down from scratch in the simplest and clearest way possible. Whether you're a car owner, a DIYer, or a total beginner, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type of OBD scanner is right for you. Before choosing one, let's start with the basics. What exactly is an OBD scanner? OBD stands for Onboard Diagnostics. Your vehicle is constantly monitoring itself, and an OBD scanner simply allows you to access and read that information. It can tell you why a warning light is on, which system has an issue, whether sensor data looks normal. But here's an important point. An OBD scanner is a diagnostic tool, not a repair tool. It helps you identify problems, not fix them directly. Many people buy the wrong OBD scanner because they assume they're all basically the same. They're not. Most OBD scanners fall into three categories. First, basic scanners. They read and clear trouble codes, mostly engine-related data. Second, advanced scanners. They cover multiple systems like ABS, transmission, airbags, and offer live data with graphs. Third, professional scanners. They support full system diagnostics, bi-directional controls, and advanced reset or learning functions. Most everyday drivers don't actually need the professional level. Before spending any money, I always ask myself three questions. First, who am I? Am I a regular driver, a DIYer, or a professional technician? Second, what problem am I actually trying to solve? Am I just checking why a warning light is on, or do I want deeper insight into my vehicle's condition? Third, what vehicle do I drive? The make, the model, the year, and whether it's a car, a truck, or a motorcycle. Honestly, these questions matter far more than brand names or price tags. Whether an OBD scanner works properly often comes down to protocol support. Key protocols include OBD2, standard for most vehicles after 1996, CAN required for nearly all vehicles after 2008, UDS used for deeper diagnostics on newer vehicles, J1939 and J1708 for commercial trucks and heavy-duty vehicles. Bottom line, for most drivers, OBD2 and CAN are enough. More features don't always mean better. What matters is what you actually need. Basic functions include reading and clearing trouble codes. Advanced features include live data streams, freeze frame data emissions, readiness status. Professional features include bi-directional controls, system resets and relearns. For most people, mid-level features are more than enough. Phone-based OBD diagnostics usually connect to the vehicle via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and rely heavily on mobile apps to function. Their main advantages are affordability and portability, making them a popular choice for car owners, DIYers, and users who prefer monitoring vehicle data directly on their phones. However, the diagnostic depth, stability, and long-term usability largely depend on the app, the phone's operating system, and how well the software is maintained over time. Dedicated OBD diagnostic tools, on the other hand, are standalone devices with their core functions built into the hardware itself. Mid to high-end dedicated scanners often support full system diagnostics, bi-directional controls, service and maintenance functions, and in some cases, ECU programming or advanced testing. Because of this, they are often preferred by professional technicians, advanced DIY users, and performance or modification enthusiasts. When choosing an OBD scanner, the hardware price is only part of the cost. What really matters long-term is software updates and subscription fees. Most scanners fall into three categories. Type 1, lifetime free updates. You buy the scanner once and all future software and vehicle updates are free. Best for car owners, DIYers, and long-term personal use. Type 2, limited free updates. For example, 1 year free, 2 years free. After that, the scanner still works, but no new vehicles or features, no software improvements. This type isn't bad, you just need to know upfront. Type 3, subscription-based scanners. These usually offer advanced features, broad vehicle coverage, frequent updates, but you pay monthly or yearly fees. If you stop subscribing, advanced functions may be locked. Some vehicles may no longer be supported. Better for repair shops, not ideal for casual users. Quick takeaway: before buying, always check. 1. Is a subscription required? 2. How long are updates free? 3. What happens if you don't renew? You've probably seen this claim before. Supports all vehicles. Here's the truth. No OBD scanner supports every brand and every function. Why? Because different manufacturers use different ECU architectures, different protocol implementations, different levels of system access, brand differences in practice. American vehicles, generally more third-party friendly than Japanese vehicles, more standardized and consistent. European vehicles, complex systems. Advanced functions often restricted newer vehicles. Depend heavily on frequent software updates. A common mistake. People see supports brand X, but don't ask which systems, which functions, which model years. Engine support does not mean full system or advanced function support. The right way to choose. Don't ask, does it support my car? Ask instead, which systems does it support on my car? Does it support the functions I need? Is my vehicle year covered? When choosing an OBD scanner, 4 things really matter. 1. Your actual needs. 2. Vehicle protocols and model year. 3. Software updates and subscription costs. 4. Brand and function level compatibility. It's not about having the most features, it's about having the right ones long term.